my dear students. Today we'll discuss our new lesson, constant and variable. Let's start, please. Ali and his sister went to the library to buy a pencil. The pencil is 3LE. I'm going to buy 2 pencils. That's Ali. And his sister, I am going to buy 5 pencils. So how much I pay? Ali pay 2 multiply 3, which equals 6. And his sister buy 5 multiply 3, which equals 15. So the price of the pencil is constant. It doesn't change. It's still 3. But the number of pencils and the price is changed. So the number of pencils is variable and the price or the total or the product of these numbers is variable also. The constant and the variable. So we say the constant, it doesn't change. A number doesn't change. But the variable, it's a lot of numbers. It changes about the situation. So we denote the number of pencils by X because it's variable. And the total money denoted by Z, which is variable also. So Z, which is the total number, is equal 3 multiply X, where 3 is the constant, which is the price of the pencil. So if we have examples of X, and we get Z as if X is equal 1, so Z will be 3 multiply 1 is 3. X is equal 2, so Z will be 3 multiply 2 will be 6, and so on. And this we called it mathematical relation, Z equal 3X. So the mathematical relation contains constant and variables. Let's start. Write the mathematical relation between X and Y. The number Y is 3 times the number X. Is means equal, and times means multiply. So it will be Y equal 3X. Number 2, the number Y is, so Y equal 5 more than the number X. More than is a keyword of addition, so it will be Y equal 5 plus X. Number 3, the number X is 9 more than the double of Y. Let's write it. Is means equal, more than plus, and double means multiply. So we'll write X equal 9 plus 2Y. 4, the number X is, this means equal, so X will equal 7 less than, which means minus the number Y. So X equal Y minus 7. We say before that the subtraction will begin with the last one of the second number, which is Y. Choose the correct answer. Number A, if the sum of 2 numbers X and Y is 20, then Y equal. The first one, we must know that X and Y is small numbers, and then the product of the addition is called big number. So, the sum of the addition is big number. So if we know the small number and the big number, we can write Y. Y is a small number, so we change the addition into subtraction because we want a small number. If we want a big number, we make addition as it is. So if we want Y or X, we make the sum of these numbers minus the another one. So it will be 20 minus X. Number B, the difference between two numbers is 7. If the smaller is Y, then the greater will be. In the subtraction, the greater one is always the first one. So if we have 2 numbers, Y and any one also, this one is the greatest one. So we make it first, then the last 2 numbers we make it plus. So this will be y plus 7. We don't choose 7 minus y, it's the wrong answer. We will choose y plus 7. Okay? If the product of two numbers x and y is 10, then y, here is also x and y is small numbers in multiplication. So if we want a small number, we make divide, not multiply. So y will be equal 10 over x. If Ahmed has LE 25 and what Islam has is less than what Ahmed has by LEX. So Islam has less than Ahmed. So will be 25 minus x. We use subtraction. Complete. If the sum of what Manal and Nihal have is 10, so Manal and Nihal is small numbers, and the sum of these small numbers is 10. He wants Nihal, so we have Manal has x, so we make the addition will be subtraction, so it will be n equal 10 minus x, where n is Nihal. The side length of an equilateral triangle is L, and its perimeter is P. Now, what is the perimeter first? The perimeter is the sum of all sides. So, we have the triangle has 3 sides. So, the perimeter is L plus L plus L, or 3L. The sum of two numbers is 30. So, we have the sum is 30, it's a big number. And one of them is x, it's a small number. And he wants the last small number. The other small number will be the sum minus x. We change addition into subtraction here. The perimeter of a square is P and its side length is L. Since the mathematical relation between P and L will be, we know also the square has 4 sides and the perimeter is the sum of all sides. So the perimeter will be L plus L plus L plus L, or 4 multiply L, which we write it as 4L. If the sum of two numbers is 30, we have sum, so the big number is 30. And one of them is x, the small number is x. So he wants another small number, so we change the addition into subtraction. And it will be 30 minus x. Number E, the length of the rectangle exceeds the width by 5 cm. Exceeds means plus, it's a key word of addition. If the width of the rectangle is x, so the length will be, it addition, so it will be length plus 5. Okay, the length is x, so it will be x plus 5. Thank you for listening. I wish you understand this lesson. See you next lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.